What's up, everyone? Here live with our 5-box break of Topps Holiday number 12 here. I'll give people 1 minute to join in. Drop a comment, let me know when you're in hanging out. Double check group requests here real quick. Alrighty, here we go. Box number 1. 100 cards in each of our megas here. 1 relic auto. Usually 1 or 2 short prints in each box. And our ornament decoration. Ozzie Albies there for the Braves. Here we go, box 1. Got base short prints, ultra short prints, and super short prints in here. Super short prints are the Santa variation and the snow coming down. Ultra short prints, Santa belts, candy cane light. Base short prints, oh, and Santa hats are also ultras. Base short prints, got the candy cane socks, arm sleeves, bats. Box 1, good luck. Torkelson rookie for the Tigers. And if you spot a short print that you think I may have missed, feel free to point out the player's name. Harper metallic for the Phillies. Trevor Story. Brian Hayes metallic for the Pirates. Jose Miernado rookie. Juan Soto. Moncada metallic. And Gleyber Torres, your relic here for box 1. Little pinstripe action there for the Yankees. Teoscar Hernandez metallic. Bobby Witt Jr. for the Royals. TJ Friedl rookie. Jarren Duran rookie. Wander Franco rookie. And for the Dodgers, Mookie Betts on the ultra short prints for the Dodgers. Ornament variation for the Dodgers. Castellanos metallic. That wraps up box 1. Just double check our codes here. Occasionally you'll get 1 a box, but not too often, so yep. There's our short prints. Joe Ryan. On the regular ornament, this is base short print for the Twins. Always double check just in case. Around his neck there for the Twins. Alrighty, that wraps up box 1. Sleeve up our rookies here. Rip into box 2. Alrighty, box 2. On Soto, ornament for the Nationals. Box 2, Max Fried, Aaron Judge metallic, Pinto rookie, and relic for the Mariners, Cal Raleigh. On the base rookie relic for the Mariners. Xander Bogaerts. Seiya Suzuki for the Cubs. Ronald Acuna Jr., Torkelson rookie. Kwan for the Guardians. Oneil Cruz for the Pirates. And for the Rays, Wander Franco on the Ornament Lights variation. Ultra short print here for the Rays. Nice hit. Wander Franco Ultra Rookie short print. Luscious Fox metallic. Kyle Schwarber metallic. Josh Donaldson. Max Scherzer. George Kirby rookie. Bryce Harper metallic. Lodolo rookie, and Julio Rodriguez rookie short print for the Mariners. Nice hit on the candy cane arm sleeve variation. Nice hit, base short print there for the Mariners. There we go. Solid box. J-Rod short print and Wander Ultra. Nice hit for the Mariners. Wander Franco rookie. And that wraps up box number 2. Solid box. Box number 3. Aaron Judge ornament for the Yankees. Box 3, Nick Plummer, Pena for the Astros, Suzuki for the Cubs, Kwan Guardians, Yelich Metallic for the Brewers, Garrett Cole, Colson Ose, Nick Allen Metallic for the Athletics, Swanson and Seth Beer. And for the Reds, Hunter Green on the Candy Cane Sox variation for the Reds. Nice hit. Ty France. Seiya Suzuki Metallic for the Cubs. And relic Nico Horner on the blue patch for the Cubs. Unnumbered. I feel like we're bound to hit one of those 101 relics. It's like box. This is box. Yeah, after this we've ripped 60, so 2 autos. Julio Rodriguez for the Mariners. Pulled an Alec Thomas rookie auto. Seiya Suzuki on the Sox variation for the Cubs. Base short prints. Pulled a Alec Thomas rookie auto out of 10 last week. No, earlier this week on Tuesday. Pulled a Thomas auto out of 10 with a sweet patch. And then 3 weeks ago, yeah, it was definitely the new year. So sometime in the I think it was the first week of the new year, we pulled a J-Rod patch auto out of 25. So far, an auto every, or a relic auto every 30 boxes. So it's not great odds, but they are out there. Patch was pretty solid on the J-Rod too, if I remember correctly. I think it was a 2-color patch. Alright, that wraps up box 3 here. Box 4. Couple group requests. Mark should be in now. Yep. Alright. Box 4. Pete Alonso on the ornament for the Mets. Here we go, box 4. Jacob deGrom, Pena for the Astros, and Hunter Green on the rookie auto. Out of 200. Nice hit. Every time I've talked about it, we've hit one. There we go. Nice hit. Out of 200. Hunter Green, rookie auto. 176 out of 200. Nice hit for the Reds. Throw that up there with his base short print. Couple hits there for the Reds. Here we go. Alright, keep on rolling. Tim Anderson. Shane Bieber metallic. So that covers the hit for the box, so no relic in this one. Freddie Freeman metallic. And Ronald Acuna Jr. on the candy cane arm sleeve variation for the Atlanta Braves. Nice hit. We'll leave the Joe Ryan. Acuna staying off the showcase here. Ryan Mountcastle rookie cup. Matajevic metallic. Oh, we do still get a relic. I thought that covers the hit for the box, but Rafael Devers relic for the Red Sox. Can't complain about that. I think on the box it says Devers for the Red Sox. Yeah, one relic, autograph, or autograph relic. So, I guess we got a bonus. Can't complain about bonuses. Alright, rest of box 4. A Zokar metallic. Mike Trout, Julio Rodriguez for the Mariners. And for the White Sox, Luis Robert on the wreath, ultra short print for the White Sox. Wreath there in the background. Nice hit for the White Sox. Kershaw metallic, Bobby Witt Jr. rookie. And that'll wrap up box 4. Leaving us here with one box to go. We'll open a couple more sleeves here. Alrighty, box number 5. Ornament, Pete Alonso for the Mets. Second one of those. Final box. Good luck. Wander Franco rookie. And for the Twins, Joe Ryan on the Santabelts short prints. For the Twins, couple Ryan short prints here now. This is the ultra short print, Joe Ryan. Goldschmidt metallic. Pena for the Astros. CJ Abrams rookie. Javier Baez. Bobby Witt Jr. for the Royals. And out of 99, Ty France for the Mariners on the red holiday out of 99. Ty France. Colson Nose rookie. Johan Duran metallic. And Jeremy Pena on the arm sleeve, candy cane arm sleeve variation for the Astros. Showcase is pretty full here. Guess we're bump the Mookie. All right, nice hit. Willie Adames. Seiya Suzuki rookie. Quan base rookie. And relic, Jared Kelenic for the Mariners. Base relic here. Jared Kelenic. Rookie relic. Sorry, not rookie. Wrong year. Jared Kelenic relic for the Mariners. And remainder of box number 5 here. This is all for this afternoon. We are back on Sunday afternoon. Acuna metallic for the Braves. I have 2 more 5 boxes of Holiday. Julio Rodriguez rookie. 2 more 5 boxes of Holiday. A case of Topps Finest. And 2 boxes of Topps Chrome Light on Sunday afternoon. And that will wrap up the break here for our 5 boxes of Topps Holiday. Really solid break all around. Some very nice hits. Appreciate you guys hanging out for this one. And I will get going on a recap here. Feel free to hang out if you'd like to watch that. If you're headed out, thanks everyone. Have a great weekend. And we will see you guys back here on Sunday afternoon. Alright. Alrighty. Start off with our metallics. Goldschmidt Cardinals, Acuna Braves, Judge Yankees, Harper Phillies, and rookies here. Three Julio Rodriguez for the Mariners, 3 Jeremy Pena for the Astros, 3 Wander Franco for the Rays, 3 Bobby Witt Jr. for the Royals, 3 Seiya Suzuki for the Cubs, 3 Stephen Kwan for the Guardians, 2 Spencer Torkelson for the Tigers, 2 O'Neal Cruz for the Pirates. It's a very even split there. Relics. Kelnick, Mariners, Devers, Red Sox, Raleigh, Mariners, Horner, Cubs, Torres, Yankees. Ty France, red out of 99, 39 out of 99 for the Mariners. Mookie Betts, ultra short print for the Dodgers. Luis Robert, ultra short print, the wreath variation for the White Sox. Ronald Acuna Jr., base short print for the Braves. And your showcase, Seiya Suzuki metallic and base short print, the Sox variation. Those 2 for the Cubs. Joe Ryan, base short print on the lights and ultra short print Santa belts. Those 2 for the Twins. Jeremy Pena on the arm sleeve rookie variation for the Astros. Wander Franco on the rookie ultra short print, Candy Cane Light variation for the Rays. Hunter Green, rookie auto out of 200. And base rookie short print on the Sox variation. Those 2 for the Reds. And your Hulk Smash hit of the break here for the Mariners, Julio Rodriguez on the arm sleeve, Candy Cane arm sleeve rookie short print, base short print for the Mariners. Nice hit. Alright, appreciate you guys hanging out for this one and this afternoon. I will see you all back here on Sunday afternoon, starting at 1:05. A couple holiday breaks. We will see you guys then. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.